Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly pound dollar, I believe that we're in a nice uptrend right here, which I think is going to continue. I think eventually it's going to go up and take out these highs, most likely make a nice wave A or a nice wave 1. Either way, I don't care, because either way I think it's going to end up taking out these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think it's very clear that this is an uptrend for the 1, this is a correction for the 2, and that we are already in a wave 3, and over the coming weeks and months, it most likely will continue to make higher highs, higher lows to finish off the 3, 4, and 5, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I think it's very clear that this is the end of a wave C. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, like a 1. This is an ABC down like a 2, and I believe that we're in a wave 3, and that this is just going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows, all part of that wave 3. Now, we do have to remember that today is CPI inflation data for the US dollar, so that is definitely going to affect this pair. I think that the wave 3 is already in, and even if it does make a move to the downside, it's just going to be a correction, and probably later on it'll just keep on trending up. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, ever since we ended this ABC correction back here, we've been making higher highs, higher lows. This last wave up is very strong, telling me that I would almost guarantee that the uptrend is not over. Like I said, the news today is definitely going to affect this pair. I wouldn't be surprised if it just kept on trending up, but if it does make a move to the downside, it should just be a correction, and it should just end up later on, maybe in a day or so, end up continuing the uptrend, all part of that big wave 3. So let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we are going down right now. Hopefully, we're setting ourselves up for the news. If it looks like something like that pre-news, and then it ends up making an impulsive move to the upside, I definitely would take that as a long opportunity. I definitely see the possibility that the news could just cause this to keep on trending up. And if it does, then I definitely want to get in for the continuation of what I think is a big wave 3 on the much longer time frames. Now, if the news does cause this to go down, I still believe it's just going to be a correction, and maybe later on in a day or two, it will just end up continuing the uptrend in a ways, maybe end up making a correction looking something like that. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.